So now I would like to invite Vaiko Veeleid, and he will present drone survey and 3D models for digital twins. The floor is yours.
Hi. So far, when we are waiting, our slide is coming, but I can start right now. My name is Vaiko, and we invited to show you how we can use drones and how especially use drone data in ArcGIS. We are surveying company since 19, and we have 40 specialists around, and every day we process the data, capture the data, and make different analysis. We have very big experience right now with the drone survey and reality capture inside and outside of the buildings. And we use different control methods, how to be sure that everything is okay. And we have good specialists who can give advice and give final good results, what can use in ArcGIS. I don't want to promote very bigly us. I just want to show a piece of how and what we can do, or what solutions we use and what you can use in GIS. Mainly, right now, we are using a lot of orthophotos. There is also Airbus who is showing orthophotos what resolution is 50 centimeter. In Estonian, we have 10 centimeter public information, but we can offer even 1.5 centimeter resolution. And it is like you can remove blurring from your pictures, and you can see much, much more. And different also with capturing with planes and drones is totally different, because we process it differently, and you can see then in this way the final result is true orthophoto. There is no high buildings cover nothing. You can see the roofs and also the bottom of the near in the building. Also, not only 2D, there is coming 3D information also, and I have marked below on the right corner where and how you can use all this kind of information. There is Tartu city, and it's about 45 square kilometer or 45 square kilometer, and we can catch this kind of information to give ArcGIS to make better analysis, and if you can make better analysis, then you can make better decisions. Also, right now I show you very big areas, but you can also focus in a specific building. There is an example what we are right now doing with the transport administrations. They are interested with building out facades inspection and how it changes during the time. And there is a very good solution to use drone. Right now they looking on the ground and make pictures, but in this way you can capture whatever elevation, whatever angle, and you can compare time to time collected data with previous, and you can see easily what is changed. One is just orthomosaic photo, one is elevation, how straight is the wall, and one is just one piece of the element from the crack, and you can see even what is inside this crack. And also yesterday we have discussed with our Estonian colleagues the drone possibility, how accurate it can be. Right now I'm talking drone photogrammetry, not LiDAR. LiDAR is different thing, and you can't so visualize information. You get the info, but only 3D points. From photogrammetry, you get 3D points from point cloud, mesh models, and orthophotos. And we have made comparison with drone and land port reference points, what we have in Estonian. And I don't know, maybe someone can guess how big is the difference with reference points? Centimeter, 10 centimeter? We get 0.4 millimeter. Why we are start using reality capture? We are a surveying company. We offer very much services to construction companies. And all the time is problem that we can't get information what is covered on the ground. We don't have a time to go here because the excavator man is faster, he covers everything. But in this way, if we are using different solutions, we can capture data on the site, and it's controlled, and you can see and use the same information also in ArcGIS and to comparison with design or planned information. Same thing in Rail Baltic, but much bigger areas. We are using drones, capturing time to time what is important, what step need to be recorded. And there is maybe biggest thing is that we teach construction guys to fly themselves. Because right now no need to go even on the site. They know when they need to fly. They make the fly by themselves, send information, processed, and you can use it. And important, what is drone, what is scanner, what is LiDAR, this is this kind of information what you can't manipulate. If something is inside, you can see it, you can measure it, you can't remove it. If you remove it, you can also process again, and you get the result. And also the nice videos, how the processing and how the construction is going, and how it looked like comparing with the design. Also, as I mentioned, we can find solution how to capture also inside, not only outside, indoor solutions. This is, by the way, is captured with iPhone Pro with LiDAR. Construction guys scanning every step what is needed. You can collect it, you can review it. If you want, you can make a drawing or a 3D model. And also you have this kind of visual info, what you can represent it back to the same apartment. And then you can see what is underground, this behind the wall or down on the ceiling. Right now, there is also one what we have made together with Tallinn city, 2-point-something square kilometer 3D capturing, and right now it's running on ArcGIS viewer. There is also BIM model, and the target is to test how it's possible to capture real information and how it can use for design, drawing, or model reviewing. How this building fitting in this area. They can show to the public how it look like. You can, this link is easily accessible. If you try to find it, you can find it. And you can do whatever you want here. There is very good place for this. There is a drone captured data is the left side, and the right side is public data, what is possible to get from land port. Landboard right now also developing very much this, and I think in near future it's the LOD models is also textured, and but right now we can even texture the LOD models, and it means you get lighter and easier models, but the final result is approximately the same. There is a 3D LOD models with texture, and the texture is captured from drone. And this is, everything is georeferenced. You can compare with different ways. Example from Pärnu, 3D mesh model downtown. Building area information is public. We have imported here, and we can see that some of the building information is wrong. Directly you can see that this building is much, much bigger than in the registry information. And you find these kind of problems very easily. Or Tartu City use orthophoto, also very multiple way. Right now they use also cadastral work. They review, is it someone building something outside their property? Right now this is only way how they can do it, or they can go outside. Or simple one, road markings. What need to be replaced next year? And also, AR or augmented reality solutions. All what you have in ArcGIS, you can visualize out. BIM models, whatever info you have, you can visualize with your mobile phone. You are going on the site, and you can see everything what is around you. Right now there is a Rail Baltic one project, but there is also underground utilities. There is need, special device, but you can review directly on the site what is built, or is it made as it should be. Also, there is possible, if you find something that is wrong, and if you have right phone, then you can scan it in 3D, and it going back to directly to the ArcGIS. You find something, what is wrong, or before excavator guy covered the communications, you can capture, and this info coming ArcGIS. And this reality mesh you can also visualize out, and you can see like communications, what is underground, even you don't open the, you get my point. And what is AR? This is totally new and it's coming, but there is one sample. There is the same tower or lighthouse. If you scan this code, then this model pop up on the floor, and you can walk around and see this, or made selfie with it and post it to the Facebook. It shows how easy it is right now. But yeah, of course, you need to know how to do it. There is many small things what can go wrong. But idea is that everything is going simple and on the cloud. There is just short overview what is possible. Also indoor, 360 pictures, and many more things what we have done. But right now, I thank you for your time. If I have any questions.
Thank you, Vaiko. We don't have any questions in Slido. Do we have any live questions from audience, please?
Thank you very much. Now I understand that your meshes are very much compatible with Esri, but I'm just curious how you tested them in game engines or other 3D softwares for simulation purposes?
Mesh, we have tested it. You need optimize it, and the optimization level is critical. In some level, it's going to very blurry, and you can't use it, and there need to find the optimized version. And this load model with texture is very good. I think we need to make better LOD models and then with texture, and I think it's the easiest way. Even mobile phones can handle it very easily.
Okay, any more questions from the audience? Okay, thank you again.